In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Zillow rental application status. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm your submission and see whether the landlord has reviewed your application. Start by signing into Zillow using the same account you used when you applied. This part is important. If you have more than one login method, make sure you pick the one tied to your application. For example, if you originally applied using a social sign-in, use that again. Being in the correct account ensures your applications appear in the right place. Once you're signed in, open your profile or the main menu. On the website, that's typically the profile icon in the upper right. In the app, it's usually the menu button at the bottom or top of the screen. From there, go to Renter Hub. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Applications or Your Applications. All of these paths lead to the same spot where your rental applications are organized. On that page, you should see a list of the rentals you've applied to. If you applied to multiple places, you'll see each property listed separately. Select the specific application you want to check. This opens the application details page, which is where you'll find the most useful information. Here, first confirm that your application was fully submitted. It's not enough to just fill out the form. You must click Submit at the end of the application for it to reach the landlord. Look for a status or confirmation that indicates the application is submitted. If you don't see a submitted status, it usually means the process was saved but not sent. In that case, revisit the application and look for any remaining fields, acknowledgments, or final confirmation screens you may have missed. Next, check whether the landlord has opened or reviewed your application. Zillow typically shows indicators such as viewed or in review when the landlord has taken action. If it shows not yet viewed or something similar, don't worry. Response times vary by property, and some landlords review applications in batches. It's common for this section to update only after the landlord logs in and opens your file. If you don't see your application at all, double-check that you're signed in to the correct account. Sometimes switching accounts is all it takes for the list to appear. And remember, Zillow may also send status updates by email, so keep an eye on your inbox while you wait. That's it. Sign in with the same account, head to Renter Hub or Applications, open your listing, confirm it was submitted, and review whether the landlord has opened it. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your rental search.